Welcome to Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to transfer Canva design to another Canva account. The process very simple and very easy. I will show you. I have two accounts. Here is the one, and here is another one. Now let's start the process. Let's move to that one. Here is my design, and I want to share to my other one. Now simply tap on this share icon. And here is the option, only you can access. Tap on this one, and tap on the last option, anyone with the link. After this, tap on the option, copy link. The link has been copied successfully. Now I will go to my second account. And simply paste the link here, and tap. Enter. So as you see on my second account, the design has been shared successfully. Now I can edit this by myself. Like if I want to change this one, I can change this. So it was a way. By using this you can share your design within less than 60 seconds. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.